Good morning, student. As you know, I am teaching English literature at chapter number 11, Three Wise Old Women. Chapter 11. This is English literature. Chapter 11, Three Wise Old Women. Three wise old women. In Three Wise Old Women, yesterday I told that you write the difficult word, also you recite loudly, and also you recite the poem loudly, and you pronounce the difficult word, and also you learn the word power. I hope you have done. So I also told that you write 12-line poems at least in your copy and also decorate it. So today I am going to explain the poem as Three Wise Old Women, Were They, Were They. It is the story of three wise old women, what they had, what they did, so what they thought I to do when the frightened time will come, when the unusual time will come. So there were three wise old women and who went to walk on a winter day. It was the time of winter and all the three wise old women were going to on the path. One carried a basket to hold some berries. Berries are one type of fruit. So in one hand it was a basket and she was carrying berries, means fruits. One carried a ladder to climb for cherries. And one woman was carrying a ladder. Ladder means, ladder. Ladder is made up of as climbing the high places, for high places, as step by step ladder. So one carried a ladder to climb for cherries. Cherries is also one type of fruit. So the third and she was the wisest one. So one lady was carrying a basket to hold some berries, and second lady was also carrying ladder as to climb for cherries. Cherry also one type of fruits, and the third woman was there. So she was wisest one. She was very clever and she was wise also. Means wisest one, means in all three women she was wisest. So carried a fan to keep off the sun. She was carrying a fan, a small fan. She was carrying a small fan as to keep off the sun. To keep off the sun means here the hot condition of the sun when we feel warm. When we feel warm, so much warm. So in that process, so she can do like that fan as flipping the fan. By this way, she can feel relief from the sun, from the warm condition. But they went so far and they went so fast. But all the three women were going so fast and going so far. They were going so far distance. And all three women were going so fast. They quite forgot their way at last. But at last, all the three women forgot the way. So again understand, there were three wise women, but first was carrying basket to hold some berries. Second was also holding one ladder, step by step to climb to find out cherries, one type of fruit. Third woman was very clever and wisest of the all three, and she had kept one small fan as to feel relief, to get rid of from the sun, from the warmth condition, warmth climate, as hotness of the sun. So for the relief, she was carried one small fan to get rid of the hot condition of the sun as feeling much warm. So like that. After that, they quite forgot their way at last. When they were going on by and by on the pathway, so at last all the three women forgot the way. Where they had gone, where they would go to in the next, they didn't know. They forgot the way. They forgot the path. So one of the wise women cried in fright. Just that time when they forgot the path, one woman cried so much, loudly cried. What she told? Suppose we should meet a bear tonight. She told that tonight means that same day night of the same day. May be possible that one bear may come on the way. So in the dark of the night, one bear may be come. Suppose we should meet a bear tonight. Suppose he should eat me and me and me. She told that bear should eat me. Eat me, eat me. Means eat me also, eat you also. So what she thought, she told, and after that what happened? What is to be done? Cried all the three. So as the imagination of the one woman, all three cried out, okay, what is to be done? In this case, what we'll do? When one bear will come, then what we'll do? Which type of work, which type of activities should we do? When one bear will come to eat us, to eat me, to eat one by one. So, dear, said one, we will climb a tree. So out of three women, in all of three women, one woman replied. One woman told, dear, said one. So, in all of three women, one woman replied that, listen, we will climb a tree. When the bear will come, we will climb the tree. Means we will climb on the tree. When bear will come, we will climb on the tree for the safety of our life or to protect our life. After that, there out of the way of the bears we will be. There out of the way of the bears will be. Means it may be possible that on the way when we will climb on the tree, bear may become there also. Then what you will do? So, but there was not a tree for miles around. But suppose to there will be not tree. When the bear will come and so far places, there is no tree. There will not be tree. So then what will happen? But there was not a tree for miles around. When the bear will come, that time you are saying that we will climb on the tree, but suppose to there is no any tree. So what can we do? So in this condition, so they climb their ladder up to the top. So they will stand the ladder and they will climb on the ladder to top. So what will happen? This is the imagination of the three women. When bear has not come, but one has been imagined that when bear will come, what can we do? But in this sense, one replied, we will climb on the tree. So other told, when bear will come on the way, what we will do? So next told that suppose to there is no any plant, there is no any tree, I have to climb up. So one told that we will climb on the ladder to top. That one lady one woman was carrying a ladder. So one told that we will climb on the ladder, one by one on the top, till top. So what will happen there? You can see. So and said there, screaming, we will drop. So one told that if we said, means if we will try to sit there on the ladder. One by one we will drop on the ground. So the ladder cannot hold that situation. So then what we will do? When the ladder will not hold us one by one, we will fall down. So what will happen there? So, but the wind was strong as wind could be. But wind was strong. One told that maybe wind must be strong that time. Means supposed to wind will be strong. At the time, what will happen when the bear will come? The wind will be so strong, and blew their ladder right out to sea. So one thought like that. So ladder will also blew to right to the sea, right to the river, and they will saved like that. So the three wise women were all afloat. In this way, from the ladder they will drop in the river, and after that they will afloat on the water. They will afloat on the water means all the three women were floating on water. On this way, they could be saved. It is only imagination when the bear will come. Like that, you may also frighten any time at night and thinking that when the black dog will come, what will happen? How will I manage? How shall we manage as to so much running fast? If one elephant will come on the way, then what will happen? So like that, three women were thinking and also giving the answer, replying one by one. So in this way, one told that we will afloat in the river. After that, the ladder will not, it will be straightly folded as vertically. So we will drop in the water and floating on the water. So next part of the poem I will explain tomorrow. For today's class, thank you.